Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mohdi English School. This video is for class 3 subject English. So before we continue with our video, I have reminded you of some important points that I hope all of you are taking care of. What are the points? The first thing is that cleanliness should be maintained in your surroundings. You have to keep your surroundings neat and tidy. Also, the place where you sleep every day should be neat and cleaned. See that you wear neat and clean clothes every day. Also, see that whenever you go outside, you should wear a mask on your face and carry a sanitizer with you. Whenever you come back, immediately wash your hands. Immediately go to the wash basin and wash your hands for 20 to 30 seconds so that all the germs will die. And even before and after eating, you should wash your hands and mouth properly. Always keep a handkerchief with you in your pocket, and it should be neat and cleaned handkerchief, properly folded. So please follow all these points. The thought for today: the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. The meaning of this thought is that whatever you think, you become. If you think good, then your future will be good. If you think positive, then you will see the positive things happening around you. It will bring the positive vibrations. So always think positive if you want to live a happy life. Remove all the negative thoughts from your mind. The content of today's video is chapter number 1, Max's Words, reading and learning of the notes of the lesson, revision of the lesson for exam, and you have to write along with the video. So why are we learning this lesson? Number 1, why are we revising this lesson which was there in your FA1 exam? We are revising it for the exam which is just going to come in few days. So you have to revise this lesson along with the video. Also you have to write whatever we are learning. So please see that your notebook, pencil and eraser is there with you and be ready for writing. So the first heading you have to give, as the heading we give every time, chapter number 1, Max's Words. So just give the heading with neat and clean handwriting. The heading should be big and bold. The handwriting of the heading, the font should be bigger than the things which you write below it. So that is the heading for today, Max's Words. Let's see the first thing, hard words. That is your sub-heading. Give the sub-heading HARDWORDS, hard words. The difficult words in the lesson. So first we'll read the hard words so that it will help us in all the places, in fill in the blanks, complete the following, and in question answers, make sentences everywhere. Hard words play a very, very important role. Without hard words, you lose the half mark in each and every question. So let's read the hard words. I will read it thrice so that you can write it along with me. I will go at a slow speed so you can revise it and learn it along with the video. Number 1, UNIQUE, unique. UNIQUE, unique. UNIQUE, unique. So I hope you have written number 1, and number 2 you will write in the next line. BENJAMIN, Benjamin. BENJAMIN, Benjamin. BENJAMIN, Benjamin. Here B is capitalized as such because Benjamin is the name of a person. Benjamin was Max's brother, as he had 2 brothers. Number 3, COLLECTION, collection. COLLECTION, collection. COLLECTION. T-I-O-N, collection. So they had collection of stamps, coins. So that is shown over here. Carl liked collecting coins. Benjamin liked collecting stamps. So the collection of coins and stamps is shown over here, which we had read in lesson number 1. Number 4. ADMIRED, admired. ADMIRED, admired. ADMIRED, admired. Admired means to give love and respect. When you admire a person, you look up to him, you want to follow that person because you like the qualities of that person. Like you can make the sentence, I admire my father. You want to become like him one day. Number 5. MAGAZINES, magazines. MAGAZINES, magazines. MAGAZINES, magazines. Here are the 3 magazines. As you can see, the magazines for kids. You should read magazines so that your reading can be improved. Read at least 1 magazine every week so that you can learn new spellings. You can learn some new words. You will be able to read stories. Your imagination will improve. So always see that you are reading English books or English stories or some magazines for kids which are available in the market. Number 6. ALLIGATOR, alligator. ALLIGATOR, alligator. ALLIGATOR, alligator. So alligator is the animal, green color animal, has a long tail. It has sharp spines on the back, as you can see. It resembles crocodile. It is similar to it, not the same. So Max collected the words, and one of the words that he collected was alligator. And they also made the story of a hungry crocodile and a worm. So here the spelling is alligator. Number 7. CROCODILE, crocodile. CROCODILE, crocodile. CROCODILE, crocodile. Here is the image of crocodile, which is of green color. As I told you, it looks same like alligator, but it is not exactly the same. They are different animals, but they are wild, they are dangerous. So Max also collected the word that is crocodile. That is number 7. I hope you are writing each and every hard word in the new line and you are writing with good handwriting. See that you do not overwrite. You may use eraser if you make any mistake, but you have to keep your page neat and tidy and send me the picture soon as you complete writing and watching the video. Number 8. RAPIDLY, rapidly. RAPIDLY, rapidly. RAPIDLY, rapidly. Rapidly means fast or quickly. So rapidly you may make the sentence like, I went out rapidly to see the kittens. The kittens were playing, so you went out rapidly, very quickly or very fast. That is the spelling, rapidly. Next, number 9. BASE BALL, baseball. BASE BALL, baseball. BASE BALL, baseball. Here it is the mixture of 2 words, base and ball. It's the name of the game. So all these words were collected by Max. He cut them out of magazines and newspapers so that he could improve his collection of words. Number 10. PANCAKES, pancakes. PANCAKES, pancakes. PANCAKES, pancakes. Number 11. FAVOURITE, favorite. FAVOURITE, favorite. FAVOURITE, favorite. So here you can make sentence: green, blue and brown are my favorite colors. Or you can also say my favorite colors are green, blue and brown. Like Max also add the favorite colors. So that is the word favorite. Favorite is something which you like the most. Your favorite teacher, your favorite pen, your favorite subject. There could be lot of favorite things. So that is favorite which you like more. Number 12. DICTIONARY, dictionary. DICTIONARY, dictionary. DICTIONARY, dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary is nothing but a book in which you will find the meanings of the hard words, the difficult words which you want to look into the meanings. You can find it into the dictionary. It will give you the meanings in easy words so that you can understand the words. That is dictionary. And you should have one dictionary with you always. Number 13. SLITHERED, slithered. SLITHERED, slithered. SLITHERED, slithered. Slithered means slip down. The worm slithered into the hole. It slipped away. Number 14. IGUANA, iguana. IGUANA, iguana. IGUANA, iguana. So as you can see, iguana is the lizard which has the sharp spines on its back. That is the lizard, a type of lizard, and it is called iguana. So we had also seen this lizard, this word iguana was collected by Max and he found the meaning in the dictionary. Number 15. SEPARATED, separated. SEPARATED, separated. SEPARATED, separated means to divide, to make it away, to send it away, to separate. When you separate two things, you keep that two things away. So that is the meaning of this word. Next, number 16. HALLWAY, hallway. HALLWAY, hallway. HALLWAY, hallway means corridor or hall. The boys were running about and playing in the hallway. That is, they were playing in the corridor or hall. Number 17. BUTTED, butted. BUTTED, butted. BUTTED, butted means to speak in between. When someone is speaking, you say he butted in, to speak in between. Number 18. GRINNED, grinned. GRINNED, grinned. G-R-I-N-N-E-D, greened. Number 19, D-A-R-T-E-D, darted. D-A-R-T-E-D, darted. D-A-R-T-E-D, darted. Darted down means ran down. Number 20, R-E-M-I-N-D-E-D, reminded. R-E-M-I-N-D-E-D, reminded. R-E-M-I-N-D-E-D, reminded. Next. Now we have meanings. What are we revising? We are revising meanings. So give the subheading meanings and you will write with neat and clean handwriting each and every meaning in the new line. Number 1, rapidly, fast. Rapidly, fast. Rapidly, fast. So I hope all of you are writing rapidly but with neat and clean handwriting. Write rapidly but write with good handwriting. Rapidly, fast. Number 2, slither, sleep. Slither, sleep. Slither, sleep. Slip down means to fall down. So slither, sleep. Number 3, hallway, corridor, hall. Hallway, corridor, hall. Hallway, corridor, hall. You may write any one in the exam, but as of now you will write both. Hallway, corridor, hall. Number 4, trade, exchange. Trade, exchange. Trade, exchange. To trade something with someone means to exchange the thing. You give something and that person gives you something else. That is called trade, exchange. Also do learn the spelling E-X-C-H-A-N-G-E, exchange. E-X-C-H-A-N-G-E, exchange. Trade, exchange. The next adding you will give after leaving one line, that is give one word. Give one word. So I hope you have given the adding. You can also write in short G-O-W. Number 1, a sport played by 2 teams of 9 players each. Baseball. A sport played by 2 teams of 9 players each. Baseball. So baseball is the name of the game. It is a sports, it is a game in which 2 teams are there and each team has 9 players. Let's learn the spelling of the answer. B-A-S-E-B-A-L-L, baseball. B-A-S-E-B-A-L-L, baseball. It is a sport, it is a game played between 2 teams and each team has 9 players. Here is the image of the ball, how it looks like. Number 2, thin, flat, fried cakes. Pancakes. Thin, flat, fried cakes. Pancakes. Thin, flat and fried cakes. Pancakes. P-A-N-C-A-K-E-S, pancakes. P-A-N-C-A-K-E-S, pancakes. So it is a type of cake. Number 3, a large lizard with sharp spines on its back. That is iguana. A large lizard with sharp spines on its back. Over here you can see sharp spines are there. It's a very big kind of lizard. It's called iguana. I-G-U-A-N-A, iguana. I-G-U-A-N-A, iguana. So I hope you have written number 3 in your notebook. Next, leave one line and give the adding fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. You can also write in short FB. Number 1. Dash had stamps of many colors and sizes. Dash had stamps of many colors and sizes. So answer is Benjamin. 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 Benjamin had stamps of many colors and sizes. As you can see the image, Benjamin is standing near the table where he has kept his stamp collection. Notebook is there in which he has the stamps which are collected. The stamps are of different countries and different states, and he has collected it in his notebook. They are of different colors and different sizes. Number 2. Max's other brother Dash liked collecting coins. Max's other brother Dash liked collecting coins. So who is this boy who is standing with the collection of coins? He is none other than Karl. 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 Karl is the name of Max's brother, and what was his hobby? His hobby was coin collection. See that you write K capital. As it is a name of a person, you have to write it in capital. So Max's other brother Karl liked collecting coins. I hope you are writing each and everything along with the video. Number 3. Max's collection started growing dash. So the answer is rapidly. How did his collection grow? His collection grew rapidly, means very quickly, very fast. He collected so many words that his collection grew bigger and it spread into the hallway. So Max's collection started growing dash rapidly. Rapidly is also an adverb as it ends in ly. Number 4. Max opened the dash and found the words he did not know. What did he open to find the words, to find the meanings of the hard words? He opened the dictionary. Max opened the dictionary and found words he did not know. Learn the spelling. Dictionary. 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 Max opened the dictionary and found words he did not know. Max opened the dictionary and found words he did not know. Dictionary is the book in which you can find the meanings of the hard words. Then we have complete the following sentences. CF. You have to give the heading. If you have reached the end of the page, then you may turn the page or you may continue if you have more than half of the page left with you. The heading you will give is complete the following, or in short CF. Number 1. Benjamin had stamps of dash. Benjamin had stamps of many colors and sizes. Benjamin had stamps of dash. Benjamin had stamps of many colors and sizes. Here you can see stamp collection. He had a lot of stamps. These stamps belong to different countries and states, and they are of different colors and sizes. Number 2. Max collected his favorite colors dash. Green, blue and brown. Which were the favorite colors of Max? Green, blue and brown. The colors as they are shown over here were the 3 favorite colors of Max. Max collected his favorite colors green, blue and brown. So once again I will read so that you can write it in your notebook. Max collected his favorite colors green, blue, and brown. And you have to be very careful with your spellings. Learn the spellings when you are revising. GREEN, green, BLUE, blue, BROWN, brown. Green, blue, and brown. Number 3. Soon Max's collection of words dash spread into the hallway. Soon Max's collection of words dash. Soon Max's collection of words spread into the hallway. His collection became so big that it spread into the hallway. This is the hallway where his collection of words was spread. It became so big that he had to keep his words in the hallway. It was a very huge collection of words. So here we complete the revision of objectives of this lesson. Let's see what we have learned today in today's video. We learned the notes of lesson number 1, Max's words. What is the notes that we learned? Hard words we learned unique, Benjamin, collection, admired, magazines, alligator, crocodile, rapidly, baseball, pancakes, favorite, dictionary, slithered, iguana, separated, hallway, butted, greened, darted, reminded. Then we learned meanings rapidly, fast, slither, sleep, hallway, corridor or hall, trade, exchange. Give one word we learned a sport played by 2 teams of 9 players each. Baseball. Thin, flat and fried cakes are pancakes. A large lizard with the sharp spines on its back is iguana. Fill in the blanks. Benjamin had stamps of many colors and sizes. Max's other brother Carl liked collecting coins. Max's collection started growing rapidly. Max opened the dictionary and found the words he did not know. Then we learned complete the following. Benjamin had stamps of many colors and sizes. Number 2, Max collected his favorite colors green, blue and brown. And number 3, Max's collection of words spread into the hallway. So I hope you have written all the objectives that we have revised, and after watching the video you have to write it one more time so that you can be fully prepared for the exam. Write this one time and learn along with the video every day as you get the revision video. Prepare well for your exams. Take care of yourself. Do not go outside unnecessarily. Please protect yourself. How will you protect yourself? You have to keep social distancing. Do not touch anywhere. Do not touch anyone. You have to be at a distance from the people whenever you go outside, and avoid going in the crowded places. Have a nice day and thank you for watching my video.